Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I thought I would do sort of like a fruity cocktail vibe. I was doing a clean out of my little studio and came across my Fimo rods, which I've had for quite a while and never really used them. So I thought today would be a good chance to use them, especially when I've seen a lot of nails on Pinterest and Instagram that have all the little fruit segments in them. So welcome back if you're one of my regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I'm just starting off by showing you the Fimo rods. They come actually as a rod and you have to physically cut them down yourself to whatever thickness or whatever shape. So obviously if we're doing them on nails, we need them quite thin. I know there are some nail supply places out there that actually do them pre-cut, but whenever I bought these years ago, they just came like this. So that was how I had to do it. Okay, now I've got them all cut up, it's time to get them on the nails. So we've everything going on in these nails today. We've got coloured acrylic, we've got Fimo slices, we've got glitter, and we've got bubbles. So I'm laying down lemon acrylic and we're going to do like a lemon drop martini on this nail. And I'm going to add the lemon slices, and then I'll add some of the Glitterbels Opal Crush because it will reflect whatever the base colour is, so it's perfect for these nails. You want to set the Fimo slices into the acrylic while it's still wet so that it actually adheres to it, so when you go to put your clear on, that it's not moving about. Onto the ring finger, and I'm doing, this is a mojito, so I'll be using the lime slices, and I'm just mixing some green with some clear just to mimic the mint leaves that you would get in the mojito. And then I'm also going in with some dried flowers, so they're green, and again it's just to mimic the mint leaves. And because I'm going with the lime green colour on this nail, I'm going to go in with some Fairy Crush, and that'll just add a little bit of sparkle. Onto the middle nail, and this one is going to mimic a Tequila Sunrise. So I'm going in with Coral Sunrise on the bottom from Glitterbels, and as we know, the Tequila Sunrise is a brighter, darker colour at the top, so I'm going in with Lava Lamp. And then with this one, I will add orange segments to it. The glitter I'm using on this nail is Hot Crush by Glitterbels. Onto the pointer finger, and this is my favourite cocktail, it's the strawberry daiquiri. So I'm actually going in with Bubblegum from Glitterbels, and then I also add a little bit of the Rose Bud just to sort of give it more of that deeper pinker colour. And then I'll add some strawberries. Onto the thumb, and if you're one of my regular viewers, you'll know that I don't normally do the thumbs because the hand dolly is quite stiff and my hands start to cramp up, but I thought for this set I would go ahead and do the thumb and just complete the look. So I'm getting in with Glitterbels Coral Sunrise, and this is like a pink grapefruit martini themed nail. And I'm getting in with this same Hot Crush just to add that little bit of sparkle. So just before I go ahead and cap the nails, I'm just going to add a little bit of like froth to the nails. You know, like the bubbles and the fizz and all of that. So I'm putting on Halo's White French Gel, and then I'm going to add a little bit of acetone to it to try and thin it out, and then I'm going to use some bubbles. So for the bubbles, I've got just one of my wee jars. I've got water and washing up liquid, and I haven't cured the white gel as yet. I'm going to wait until I have the bubbles on top and then I'll cure them, and this will give us this sort of like crackling bubbly effect. I really do like the kind of effect that this does, so I'll probably go ahead somewhere down the line and do a set of nails just using this effect. I know it's been around for a little while, but you know, we can do things again. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to cap the nails in the glass slippers. When we're working with Fimo spices though, sometimes they're an awful lot bigger or thicker than things that we would normally encapsulate in the nails. So you may have to put your clear acrylic on just a little bit thicker than normal. As usual, I'm only going to be showing one nail being capped because I always like to try and keep the videos as short as possible for you guys. Okay, so now all the clear acrylic is fully cured, and I'm now going to go in and start to file and shape the nails. So with the stiletto nails, I go ahead and I start at the side walls, and then I make sure that my lower arch is running out really straight. I don't usually do the free edge until the very end whenever I'm doing stiletto nails, so I make sure the side walls and that are completely straight, and then I go round the whole of the nail and just make sure that it's symmetrical and the cuticle is flush, and just what you usually do when you're filing nails. And here's the finished set. So I'm hoping that this has maybe enticed you to go out there and make some cocktails or mocktails and enjoy that beautiful weather that we're having. I'm happy enough with how they've turned out. One thing I wish I had done, I wish I had put like pink opal or some pink down on the base first, just to brighten up that area. Other than that, you know, I'm happy enough. So if you've liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!